Hi, I'm Mira. Welcome to Flow with Mira. I have the perfect quick flow mat for beginners. This is an excellent class if you press for time and to do it every single day to start your day. So let's go ahead, meet me on the mat. We're going to start lying on our back. Best way to start. All right, so now we'll find ourselves in a supine position, feet are parallel. Pelvis is in neutral position, arms long by the side here. Take a deep breath, long inhalation to the nose. Let's take a moment to breathe. Exhale and allow the body to settle down on the mat. In breath. Exhale. One more. Inhale. All right, let's begin. Extend the left leg down on the floor, dorsiflex foot, left arm up overhead. Inhale, I want you to reach the leg and the arm away from each other. Exhale, drawing the abdominal, compress that back to the floor. Inhale, one more, reaching long, create more space on that side. Exhale, recoil. Bring the arm and the leg back in. Other side. Right leg long, right arm overhead. Inhale, reaching the arm and the leg away. Exhale, drawing back to center again. One more time, inhale, reach the arm and the leg away. Exhale, compress back in and glide the arm and the leg back in. And we in breath, reaching the arms long to the feet. And some pelvic rocks coming next. Exhale, we're drawing the abdominal in. I want you to just mobilize the pelvis by pressing the lower back down to the floor using the abdominal. The pelvis is now curling up. The bottom comes off and release back. And continue rocking and up. Inhale, lengthen down. Exhale and up. Inhale, lengthen down. And two more. In breath. Last one. And release. Let's do full pelvic curl. Exhale, we're drawing the abdominal. I want you to curl the pelvis and articulate the spine up to that bridging position. Arms are active. Lift the pelvis as high as you can. In breath. Exhale, lengthening the head away from the neck and roll the spine down. Vertebra by vertebra, and take yourself all the way back down to the floor. Again, 3 more times. Exhale. A delicious, delicious way to wake up the spine if you are doing this in the morning. Inhale. This is what I do every day. Exhale before I start my day with my teaching schedules and release day. Never a day without pelvic curl. Exhale, roll it up. In breath. Exhale, roll it down. I really want you to just find more movement on each vertebra as you go up and down. Last one, exhale. Get the blood flow back in the spine. And exhale, we roll back down to the floor and release. And let's work on a center here. Exhale, we draw in the corset muscle and we take the right leg up to the tabletop for the leg left, knee over the hip. And lower down as you inhale, exhale, we bring it up. Working on stabilizing the pelvis, stabilizing the lower back. Inhale, lower, exhale, up. Movement from the hip, not from the knee. And 2 more. Last one. Lower the foot down, other leg. Exhale, we lift. Absolute stability in the pelvis, lower down as we inhale. Exhale, we fall. Inhale, we lower. Exhale, we fall and lower. 2 more. Last one. And lower. Lift it up again. Hold. Leg changes. Lift the other heel up as you breathe out. Draw in deeper in your center and switch the leg. Switch the leg. Switch. 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Both legs up at tabletop. Squeeze the thighs in for me. Open the arms out to T position. Spine twist supine. Moving from the waistline. Inhale, we rotate to the right. Legs stay together. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, over to the left. Shoulders anchor down. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, over to the right. Exhale, come back. Inhale, over to the left. Exhale, come back. One more each side. Inhale, over. Exhale, come back. Last one here. Inhale, over. Exhale, come back. And we lower one foot down, second leg down, interlacing the hands behind the head. We're going to warm the abdominal even more here with the chest lift. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, we flex the chest up. Inhale, we hold. Find more length through the spine. Exhale, we come back down. Again, exhale, we lift. Lifting, lifting, lifting. In breath. Exhale, come down. And exhale, lift. Inhale. Exhale, come down. Last one here. Exhale, we lift. Inhale. Hold. Exhale, come back down. Bring the right arm up to the sky. Chest lift with rotation here. As we in breath, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, lift the head and the chest up. Bring the right arm across onto the outside of the left thigh. So we are rotating our torso over to the left side and return back to center. Exhale. In breath. 3 more. In breath. 2. In breath. Last. In breath. Switch the arm. Left arm up. And exhale over to the right. In breath. And 2. In breath. And 3. 2 more. Last one. Come back. Release. Arm long by the side. Stretch. The right leg long on the floor. And the left arm up to the sky here. Not the sky, overhead. Dorsiflex the right foot. I want you to lift the right leg up. Lift the left arm up and bring it right down by the side. Point the right foot and lower the leg and lift the arm overhead. And I want you to control that center so that you don't arch the back off the floor. And lift. Inhale, lower. And lift. Inhale, lower. Draw deep into the center. Stabilize the lower spine. 2 more. In breath. Last one. In breath. Bring the leg up again. Grab the back of your thigh. Take an in breath. Pull the leg closer to you for a quick hamstring stretch. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knee, lower down. Extend the left leg long, right arm overhead here. Dorsiflex the left foot. And we go. Exhale. Inhale, point and lower. The arm goes up and down at the same time with the leg. And exhale. In breath. Exhale. In breath. 2 more. In breath. Last one, we stay up. Grab the back of your thigh and pull the leg closer to you. Let the pelvis sit down on the mat. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knee. Take the foot down. Walk the feet a little bit further away from the bottom. Legs together, arms overhead, ready for a modified roll-up. We inhale to lift the head and the chest up. Exhale, pull in the center and curl that spine up. You can even grab the back of your thigh to assist you to come up into that C curve. In breath. Exhale, we roll back again. Get the sacrum down to the floor, lower back on the floor, and take the arms overhead. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, continue, come up over the pelvis. In breath, find length through the spine. Exhale, we roll down. And if that was not a problem for you, you can straighten the legs with me. Inhale, we lift. Exhale, we curl up and over into that C curve. In breath. Exhale, we roll back Sacrum down, lower back down, and take the arms overhead. One more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, curl up and over. C-curve, C-curve, stay. Now, curl back just about 20 degrees. Bend the knees. Grab the ankle or just above the ankle for rolling like a ball. Use the arms, lock the shape. Take the feet off, balance. And we roll back. Inhale. Exhale, another exercise that I do every single day to set myself for the day. Exhale. And really work the arms so you can lock the shape. Pressing the feet to that bottom. 2 more. In breath. Exhale. Last one. In breath. Exhale. Stay balanced. Point the feet lower down. Open the knee out to the side. Lifting the spine up tall. Elongate the spine. Open the chest. Maybe can we take our spine into a slight high release here. Slight extension as we in-breath. And exhale. And released. All right. Legs in a diamond position here. Hands behind the head. Lifting tall. Double breath. Rotate to me. Spine twist. Inhale, center. Other side. Inhale, center. And center. And center. 2 more sets. Last set. Last one. And center. Arm open to the T positioned. Side. Stretch over to your right. Keep the arm long. And then from here, we're going to slide the top arm over to the other side. Inhale, open. Exhale, come back. And side bend. And exhale, we slide. Inhale, open. Exhale, come back. Inhale, side bend. Exhale, slide. Inhale, open. Exhale, come back up. Last one. Inhale, side bend. Exhale, slide. Inhale, open. And come back up. And release. Okay. Face me. Bend the knees. Little side bridges here. Forearm down, align the elbow and the shoulder. Tuck the feet together. Knees together. Feet align with the pelvis. Chest is open. Pick up the underneath waist. Take an in-breath. Exhale, we lift. Strong in the center. In-breath. Exhale, press down, we lift. In-breath. 2 more times. And lift. In-breath. Last one, lift. And release. Sit up. Lift the bottom arm up. And side bend over to the side, the left side, and release. Switch. Forearm down. Legs together, stack the legs. Elbow underneath the shoulder, lifting the underneath waistline, top arm by the side. Let's go. Lift up. In breath. And 2. In breath. 2 more. And breath. Last one. And down. Come up. Underneath arm comes up. Reach up tall. Side bend over to your right. And release. Onto our belly for the back extension. An important exercise. Important. Now legs are long together. Arms long by the side of your thigh here. Lower the chest. Hover. We glide the shoulder blades down. We have the legs active here, reaching away from the pelvis. And then we lift the upper back, the middle back off the floor. Neck is long. Exhale, we come down. Again, we inhale to lift. Exhale. And inhale to lift. Exhale. We spend so much time rounding our back here. This is such a crucial exercise to create more balance in our posture. 2 more, lift. Exhale. Last one, lift. Up. And release. Bend the elbows Push the floor away, round the back. Quick rest position. Sit down on the heels. And then come back up to a quadruped position. And then we are done. Align the shoulder and the wrist. Align the knee and the center of your hip. Take a deep breath here. As we breathe out, I want you to pick up the abdominal. Go in and up in the abdominal and release. Now I want you to tuck the toes under. And I'm doing that again. To exhale. Draw in the corset muscle, push down off the floor. And then here, press the hands, press the toes, float the knees off. Strong, long back. Stay there in breath. Exhale, come on down. Let's do it 2 more times. Exhale, abdominal is set. And then press off the floor. Stay in breath. And then come on down. Last one. Let's stay here for 10 counts. Breathe in. Exhale. Press away, lift the belly and stay. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down, release the ankles, sit the pelvis back, stretch your arms forward. Take a deep inhalation here. And exhale. Release down and let's roll the spine up, up, up. Well done, well done. Just a quick flow mat to get your body set for the day. And remember, you can do this every single day to make your day wonderful. All right, I'll see you back on the mat tomorrow. Take care. Thank you for watching and completing the class. I'm Mira and I'm here to help you to love, look and feel your absolute best through Pilates. If you enjoyed this video, you will love my 7-day beginner challenge. Click the first link in the comment below and sign up. You will receive daily workout videos focused on building a sustainable practice in as little as 15 minutes per day. This is for all levels, as everyone can gain a deeper understanding of the Pilates fundamentals. If you enjoy my work, please like, comment, and subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss any of my free classes and programs. See you on the mat tomorrow.